We're in Printmon Draft, and we're going to make a figure. We got so far make a spaceman in a flight suit from the, sorry about that, show UFO. Let's see what we get. We're going to get concept. And it's, we've got nobody ahead of us, 10 seconds to wait. Let's see how it goes. This is to make your own figures and your STL. And there he is. That's not bad. I don't like the UFO he's sitting on, but I suppose I could cut that away. Let's retry one more. Can't retry. Let's retry one more time. Let's see what it gives us. I'm gonna do two, okay, guys? So let's see. It's given us this one right here. Let's look at him. And he's not bad. I could deal with that. I could probably cut that away in studio. So let's hash it. We're hashing it. It's going to take 2 minute wait to hash it. That means to produce it. Okay. So let's produce it. Bear with me, guys. This is in Bambu Studio under Maker Lab. It's called Printmon. It's pretty cool. Comparable to like Meshi. Mishi, actually Mishi it's called. Make a note here. I write something down. Still 20 seconds to go, guys. Okay. We're at stage 2 of 5. See it right here? Stage 2 of 5. No uses ahead of us. That's good. We got stage 3 now. 40 seconds to go on that. I'm impressed with this, so to speak, you know. I kind of like it. It's come in handy. Kind of a little boy figure, but that's okay. If we could fit it inside the UFO interceptor I'm making, I'm going to size it and try to do that. Probably about a 1.5 inch 40 millimeter print we're going to have to do, probably, or maybe a 30 millimeter, probably 30 or 35 millimeter. We've got 1 hour 7 minutes to go, and that's 5. Okay. Well, I'm going to cut out for now, and we'll get back to you. And we hit export up here. And here we go. Open in studio. The 3MF. Painting reference download. Models. So it open in studio. Okay. And here we go. And here he is. Okay. Now, since I don't have all these colors and 4 AMSs to do this, we're going to get rid of some of those colors. So let's just get it down to 4 colors. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of that. I'm going to go global. And let's see. Filaments. I'm going to change that to gray. change this one right here to gray. See how I'm doing that? And change number 3 to gray. Right there. And change number 4 to gray. And there we have our figure. And remember I said we were going to cut this, so hopefully we can cut that. Repo painting. I forget, here it is. Cut, I think, right here. Okay, so let's move this over here so we can see it. And we're going to bring this down to right about there. We're going to cut it and see if we can cut that, okay? Form cut. And we separated the two. And we got the two there. So let's slice the plate. Let's slice the plate. And oh, you know what? We forgot the size. We got to check the size on this. So let's see the size. The size is 63. That's a little bit too big. We want it 35. About that size. And we're going to slice it. And he's all sliced. We're going to save it. Export file sliced. Command G. Save it to our desktop. It's a print mon character. We're going to put UFO desktop. And we got that to print for our interceptor. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And share. Bye for now.